This 1936 Bugatti Stelvio belonged to Don Williams. We want to use it as a rally car. That was the whole goal, to buy the car, piece of Don Williams, take it out and drive it. He was Tom Barrett's protege, he was my mentor, and he gave me an excellent opportunity to restore some of the world's greatest French cars, being the first Type 57 Bugatti I've ever owned. One thing led to another, and it ended up being a bare frame. We decided to mechanically make the car as nice as it could be so it'd be very dependable for road rallies. The goal was never to go take it to Pebble Beach to win. The goal was to make a very reliable car and have the multi-generations that work here at Barrett Jackson, to have them involved in this build with our senior leaders here in the restoration program and our master machinist. The car came out so nice, we decided to take it and show it at Pebble Beach.
Being here is insane. You know, everyone always talks about it, and my first time here, so didn't know really what to expect, but it's wild. It's been wild just seeing everything and being a part of it. It's meant a lot, right? It's like all the guys put in a lot of work to get this thing ready, and you know, it looks great. People are giving us compliments. We all feel good about it. Craig and Carolyn are both happy, and we're here just doing the final touches on it. Anything that we see that we could possibly make even a minute bit better, and to be at Pebble Beach with it, the creme de la creme of car shows, you know, it's as good as it gets.
Sold it at the auction and then restored it. Here it is.
Yeah, it looks
So we're
beautiful.
filming the whole full circle of the car.
The gray and the gray interior, it just everything blends well together.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, it's excellent. Ready for Pebble.
I wanted the thrill of Carolyn and I driving the car up 17-mile drive, down Highway 1 to Big Sur, and just enjoying the car. And it drove magnificently. We decided, let's take the car out and film it. It went to Spanish Bay to be filmed, and then we took it to the Bugatti booth. And what an opportunity that was, to have all the heads of Bugatti there looking at the car, getting a picture taken with them. The car and the colors fit in perfectly to their booth, showing them the pictures of how it matches now the Veyron and the Chiron, and that the car was restored to be a driving car. We were the 5th car in line. So they got up there nice and early, about 5 minutes until the cars will start rolling in. Don Williams used to come out here. That's where Don Patrol started. Don Williams sat right here and talked to every owner and watched every car. He wanted to be the first one to see all the cars. Now this tradition started before they did a tour, so you didn't really get to see all the cars till they came off the transporters, lined up and got ready to go onto the field, which is what we're getting ready to do right now. Gave them the whole history, asked about the colors, answered those questions, showed them that everything on the car works, everything did work. It started, it just idled, purred like a kitten. As I've said many times, we restored the car to be a great driving rally car, But the team did such a fantastic job. Here it is. It's on the lawn at Pebble Beach. We've done everything we can do. Now it's just time to enjoy ourselves. Then later in the day, after all the judging and that was over, having all the alumni and the heads of McPherson College come and take a picture with our 2 full-time employees, plus others that have interned with us at the auctions and at our restoration shop during the summer, that was the home run for us. Mission accomplished. Our goal throughout this, we started a fund with Pebble Beach. If you care about preserving these cars, we need to raise money to put these kids that love cars through a school so that they can help take care of these cars for multiple generations to come. That was the goal of filming and showing this car and bringing everybody together at Pebble Beach.